Hello student, here we discuss about chemical bonding and isoelectronic structure. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Pick out the isoelectronic structure from the following: CH3 positive methyl carbocation, hydronium ion. This is ammonia and this is methyl carb anion. So options are given: A plus B, C plus D, and A and C, and B, C and D. Three options are given. So what we have to do, we have to count how many total number of electrons are there, and second structure also. So I have written here, see. First I took a hydronium ion. Hydronium ion is having sp3 hybridization and pyramidal shape. Ammonia is also having sp3 hybridization, pyramidal shape. CH3 1 negative is also having pyramidal shape because one electron is more here. Okay, because of the negative charge. So here CH3 1 negative will be there. So 10 electron, 10 electron, 10 electron. All of them are sp3 hybridized. All of them are having pyramidal shape. So B, C and D. B, C and D are isostructural with each other. Whereas CH3 1 positive is 1 electron are less. 6 valence electron here. So carbon is having 6 electron, each hydrogen having 1. So total 3 hydrogen, so 3 electron, and 1 electron is lost. That is why it is having 1 positive charge. So 6 plus 3 9, 9 minus 1 8. So 8 electrons. So this is not in the fall in the criteria. It is sp2 hybrid. So this is not isoelectronic species. Sometimes they can ask different way. That is why I am explaining you this thing. Now we'll go for the another one. See, say CO2 and N3 1 negative. Here I have written the total number of outer electron I took, valence electron only. So 2 to 4 to 6 to 8 and this 4. Total 8 and 8, 16 electron. N3 1 negative is also having 16 electron, 5 valence electron of nitrogen, multiply by 3, 15, 1 negative charge, 16 electron, linear shape. Bond order is 2, same bond order, same electrons, number of electron, valence electron. O3 and shape be also same. Ozone here 18 electron, V shaped, 1.5 bond order. NO2 here planar triangular shape, wrong. V shape correct, because both of them are having same 18 electron, so V shaped. Bond order will be 1.5. In case of carbonate, here planar triangular will be there, negative charge, total 24 electron. Nitrate also having 24 electron. Both of them are having planar trigonal geometry. Bond order is 1.33. So they are having same shape and same bond order. So isoelectronic structure.